आप दुश्मन हैं मुसलमानों के, उसका सबूत ये बिल है।
Hello and welcome to Aina Today with me Nazir. The National Democratic Alliance, ALIES, Janata Dal United, Telugu Desam Party, Shiv Sena and the Lok Janshakti Party backed the Waqf Amendment Bill that was introduced in Lok Sabha, saying it was aimed at bringing transparency in the functioning of the Waqf Board and was not an attempt to interfere with the running of mosques. Minority Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju introduced the Waqf Amendment Bill and accepted for sending it to a joint parliamentary committee after the opposition parties objected to its provisions. The opposition parties of the India Alliance have vehemently opposed the Waqf Amendment Bill, including AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi. The TDP and the LJP also supported the bill being sent to a parliamentary committee for further examinations. This is for the first time in more than 10 years a joint parliamentary committee JPC has to be constituted to study the bill.
Waqf properties, sir, are not public properties. This government wants to take over दरगाह, मस्जिद and waqf properties, sir. आप दुश्मन हैं मुसलमानों के, उसका सबूत ये बिल है।
Apparently, the government seems to be under pressure from its main allies, the TDP and the JDU. Speaking in Lok Sabha, as the government moved for introducing the bill, Janata Dal United leader and Union Minister Rajiv Ranjan Singh Lalan asserted that the bill was not anti-Muslim. The minister said if any institution established through law becomes autocratic, the government has the right to bring a law to ensure transparency. Telugu Desam Party MP GM Harish Balayogi said his party will not mind if the bill is sent to a parliamentary panel. He said there was a requirement for the government to regulate and streamline the purpose. The bill has been bought and we support it. We believe that the registration is going to help poor Muslims and women of the country and bring transparency, the TDP MP said. His party will not mind if the bill is sent to a panel of parliament for further consultation.
A wider consultation are required on this to remove misconception, wrong information being spread, and to educate the purpose of this bill. We have no problem being sent to the select committee.
Shiv Sena MP Srikant Eknath Shinde also supported the bill. He accused the opposition of spreading misinformation on the bill.
मुझे लगता है कि इन सभी को वक्फ पे कुछ अच्छा डेवलपमेंट हो, अच्छे स्कूल्स बने, कॉलेज बने, अस्पताल बने, ये इनको नहीं चाहिए। इनको सिर्फ जो है इनका वोट बैंक जो है, ये वोट बैंक खुश करने के लिए, एक समाज को खुश करने के लिए जो है यहाँ पर इस बिल का विरोध कर रहे हैं।
लोक जनशक्ति पार्टी रामविलास MP Sambhavi Chaudhary spoke on similar lines and supported the bill. The bill cannot be passed for now till the constitution of a JPC of both the houses of parliament and its finding tabled in the house. Hope the JPC will hold wider consultations with all stakeholders and give utmost priority to the welfare of the Muslim community. Thank you for watching Aina Today.